Welcome to Speak Real English, Lesson 3. The confusing words we are going to look at today are say, speak, tell, and talk. Let's get started. Say. Mrs. Dear is a lovely elderly lady. She is a little hard of hearing, so sometimes she can't hear well. I'm sorry, dear. What did you say? I said good morning. The word say is used to say something. Lucy said she's sorry. Common ways to use say are: say hi to your mom for me. How do you say this in English? What did your boss say? I said I'll help you. They didn't say anything. Speak. Peter is from a multicultural family. He can speak 3 languages. He speaks Chinese with his mom, Spanish with his dad, and English at school. Speak is used when we speak a language or when we speak with someone in a formal setting. Cindy is speaking with her son's teacher. Common ways to use speak are: I need to speak with the manager. Can you speak Korean? Pam spoke about American culture to her class. May I speak with you for a moment? Tell. Lisa went on a trip to Canada. She had a great time. Her friend wants to hear all about it. Lisa, welcome back. Tell me all about your trip. Tell is used when we tell information to someone. Jane is telling Lori a secret. Common ways to use tell are: tell me all about it. Please tell me your name. She told her son to clean his room. Grandpa loves to tell stories. Please don't tell anyone. Did I tell you the news? Talk. Sarah and Julie are talking on the phone. They are talking about their kids. Now it's time to go. Thanks for calling. It was great talking with you. Talk. We use talk to talk about something or to talk to someone in a casual conversation. They are talking over coffee. Common ways to use talk are: we talked for hours last night. Can we talk about this? The girls talked about the new movie. What are you talking about? I enjoyed talking with you. She's talking on the phone. Let's compare. Say hello. Speak slower. Tell me. Let's talk. Here's another situation. Sammy was sick. He got checked by the doctor. Sammy said hello. Sammy told the doctor his symptoms. The doctor spoke to Sammy's mom. They talked about Sammy. But watch out! We don't say tell to. We always tell someone. For example, Tim said hello to Lucy. Tim spoke to Lucy. Tim talked to Lucy. But we need to say with the word tell, Tim told Lucy to help him. Let's give it a try. David missed the business meeting. Can you fill in the missing words? Here are the answers. What did the boss say in the meeting? He told us about the business trip. Should I speak with the boss today? Yes, you need to talk about the plans. Now it's your turn. Answer. At a restaurant. My soup is cold. Should I say something? Yes, you should tell the waitress. Okay, I'll speak with the waitress. Good. Then let's talk about our plans for after dinner. Number 2, at a family dinner. Answer. Number 2, at a family dinner, we want to speak with you all about something. Yes, we want to tell you some good news. We're getting married. We'd like to talk about our wedding plans. Then everyone said, congratulations. Number 3, at the airport, give it a try. Answer. Number 3, at the airport, a passenger and airport staff are talking. Please tell me your name. I'm Becky blah blah blah. I'm sorry, what did you say? I'm Becky blah blah blah. Please speak a little slower. Oh, sorry, I am Becky blah blah. Thank you. Number 4, at a school. Your turn. Answer. Number 4, at a school, Ben's mom needs to speak with his teacher. Mrs. Waters, thank you for coming. Thank you for meeting me. Could you tell me how Ben is doing in class? He's doing very well. Does he talk with his friends too much during class? Not at all. He's a good listener. After the meeting, they said goodbye. Great job! Tell me if you have any questions. Know what to say in any situation. Speak English with more confidence and enjoy talking with English-speaking friends. See you next time. Take care.